There's something very important about the way in which a good education is not just the handing on of information. It is nothing less than the learning of a way of being in the world. Tradition means the handing on of something cherished. We are transmitters. We remember those who came before us, with whom we are in a communion, that they lifted their eyes to the heavens. The evidence is here today that you all have achieved a great deal with your scholarship, but there is more than that. When we look at beautiful works of art, our eye should not neglect them, but it should see something through them and beyond, which changes the way you see life. Scholarship is a portal to something that will open an imaginative world that we may not have access to until we've done that hard work.